Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, as the headline states, I'm going to share with you the cheapest data bundle you could ever get on all the three most popular networks. Okay, so I'm talking about MTN, Airtel and Vodafone. Okay, so we have specific short codes for these networks. Okay, and then I'm going to share with you the most cheapest one. So we have those short codes for data bundles which are a bit expensive, and then you have the other ones for the less expensive ones. Okay, so in this video specifically, I'm going to share with you the less expensive data bundles. Okay, the short codes for the less expensive data bundles. Right, so in case you are new to our channel or your first time watching our video or clicking on our video, I would urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos, because I will be uploading similar videos the coming days. Okay, subscribing to the channel and then not turning on your post notification is just like not subscribing at all. Okay, so it's very, very important to turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on any uploaded video. And in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video so that the YouTube algorithm helps push it to other users, okay, of these networks who are also in need of these short codes. Okay, and then help us share the video, and then let's get right into this video. Right, so we have three most popular networks. Okay, you have the Vodafone, Airtel and then MTN. So I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to start from Vodafone and then go into Airtel, and then I'll end with the short codes for MTN. Okay, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So for Vodafone, I've already shared some of the short codes with you via this channel. Okay, so you can just go straight to our playlist. You search for technology hacks, you go through the videos, you see some of these videos with their other short codes. Okay, but I'm going to share some of these or different short codes in this video, so you can just finish watching this video and then you go back to our playlist to check out other videos. Okay, right, so let me start off with some of the recent ones I shared with you, and then I will go into the new ones I've recently discovered. Okay, so for Vodafone, I've shared the star 530 hash with you guys. Okay, so in case you go to our playlist, you find them over there. Right, so you have the 530 hash. This is for Vodafone. Okay, so it has very cheap bundles, so you can actually get something like 7 gig. Okay, for is it 10 cities or so. You just have to go to the channel playlist and then find technology hacks, and then you get to know about this package. Okay, for the packages for the star 530 for Vodafone. Okay, you have 7 gig for almost 10 cities or so, and then the other code is star 420 or so. I don't really remember the exact code. Okay, but it's something like 420. Okay, yeah, something like 420 star 420. These two short codes are not part of the short code I want to share with you, but I just want to try help you remember or go into the playlist and find these videos. Now let's look at the exact short code for this video. Okay, I took a screenshot. Okay, I just dialed and then took a screenshot. Okay, so let me share that with you guys. So we have the star 5588 hash. Okay, this is another short code for Vodafone users. So in case you want cheap bundles or talk time, so you have you dial star 5588 hash. You'll get 100 minutes, 50 per day. That's 50 pesos per day to call all networks, and then get 5 gig. Okay, 5 gigabytes plus 2.59 gigabytes per day during the weekends. Okay, and then that is at only 6 cities. You see how cheap this is. Okay, cheap these bundles are. Dial star 5588 hash, and then you get 100 minutes for 50 pesos per day. That's 50 pesos for a single day. You get 100 minutes, and then you also get 5 gig. Okay, 5.18 for 6 cities, and then that is for 2.59 per day. So 2.59, making that 5.18 for 6 cities. Okay, you just dial this code and then you go straight into the options to choose. Okay, so you can notice that you can press 1 to buy the bundle, that's proceed to buy the bundle, or maybe press 0 to go back. Now let's go into Airtel to go. So this is for Airtel to go users. So in case you are using Airtel to go and then you want what cheap bundles, okay, just dial this code, okay, dial this code *499#, okay. I think I've already made similar video on this. You can go into our playlist on technology hacks and then you find a video, okay. Dial *499# and then you get to choose any of these bundles. Note, these bundles are very cheap because they have what 30 days, 20 days, and then 10 days, depending on the package you choose. So if you go for the 30 cedis for 30 gig, that's for 30 days, 10 cedis for 10 gig, that's for 10 days, and then what 20 cedis for what 20 gig, that's for 20 days, okay. This is for Airtel to go users. Now let's go into the MTN users. Let's go to MTN users. So again, in case you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, share, and then subscribe and turn on a post notification for future videos, okay. Now let's go to let's have a look at the MTN users, shortcodes for MTN users. There are lots of shortcodes for MTN users, okay. It depends on the one you want and then the one you opt for. Now for the general one, so let's say you were part of those MTN Zone Bundle users and then the MTN Zone Bundle was cut off or temporarily banned, but even though it's back, we have other packages, okay. So the general one is what *138#, okay. So when you dial *138, you'll be prompted to choose what bundle packages, okay. You can proceed to buy the bundle. That's when you are not using the MTN app. So in case you are using the MTN app and then you buy the bundle through the MTN app, you get bonuses, okay. The most important thing is getting the MTN app. So once you have the MTN app, you get 4G bonus. That's when you buy via the MTN app with mobile money. Listening to this part is very, very important. Once you have the MTN app and you want to get bundle bonuses, buy the data via the MTN app, okay, with what your mobile money, okay. When you buy it with just maybe the money on your account, you won't get bonus, but once you buy the bundle via mobile money, you get your bonus. So in case you don't have the MTN app, you want to do this straight ahead, you just choose option 1, okay. You just choose option 1. Once you choose option 1, you get options for the data packages, okay. Either you go for the data bundle, midnight bundle, Coco bundle, okay. You just choose one option and then you dive into buy the bundle. Now let's go into other data shortcode. So we have what *141#. So for this code, I'll do another video, another secret I've recently uncovered, okay. I'll do a video and then I will drop it very, very soon, okay. It's actually funny because wow, MTN is really tricky, okay. I'll do a separate video on this, but let's just dive right into the mere the packages you could get, okay. Now from onset, you could notice that these bundles have recently changed, okay. And then depending on what your user, you get different packages, okay. So you have 480 MB for 15 days for 3.2 Ghana cedis, 500 MB daily plus 100 MB bonus for 3 cedis, and then you have 100 MB daily pack for 1.5. So for the video I'm about to drop on this specific code, okay, you would have to proceed to another option, okay. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you get to know about that video. Now you could choose any of these bundles, okay, or for others, okay. That's why I'm giving you different shortcodes. So now let's go back and let's look at the last shortcode and the obvious shortcode *135*21#, okay. So this is the MTN Zone Bundles. Again, these Zone Bundles vary, okay. So right now you can notice that they are not currently available, but they will be definitely available, okay. The new packages for the MTN Zone Bundles are a bit tricky, okay. They go on and off, okay. I think MTN is trying to find ways to make the data Zone Bundles a bit cheaper, okay. So I guess you enjoyed watching this video. So again, if you want to see that video on the *141#, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification because I'll be dropping that video very, very soon, okay. And again, I'll be dropping another video on how to utilize the MTN Zone Bundles. to actually get bonuses when you make phone calls. Okay, most people don't know this. Again, make sure to